Encouraging children to eat a well-balanced diet that includes fiber-rich vegetables is crucial for their overall health and development. Fiber is essential for proper digestion, maintaining a healthy weight, and preventing constipation. Here are 5 of the best fiber-rich vegetables for kids. Broccoli. Broccoli is not only rich in fiber but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Its mild flavor and distinctive appearance make it appealing to kids. You can serve it raw with a tasty dip or lightly steamed as a side dish. Carrots. Carrots are not only an excellent source of beta-carotene but also provide a good amount of fiber. They are sweet and crunchy, making them a favorite among many children. Carrot sticks or slices make for a convenient and nutritious snack. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also high in fiber and essential nutrients like vitamin A. You can prepare sweet potato fries or mash them as a side dish. The natural sweetness of sweet potatoes may make them more appealing to kids. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse, rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. While the taste may be a bit strong for some children, you can incorporate spinach into smoothies, omelets, or pasta sauces to make it more palatable. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in various colors, adding vibrancy to meals. They are high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Sliced bell peppers can be included in salads, sandwiches, or served as a crunchy snack with a tasty dip. Now, let's expand on these ideas in 8 paragraphs, encouraging catering to develop healthy eating habits from a young age is crucial for their overall well-being. One key element of a balanced diet is fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent various health issues. Broccoli, with its mild flavor and unique appearance, is an excellent choice for kids. Whether served raw with a delicious dip or lightly steamed as a side dish, broccoli provides a good dose of fiber along with essential vitamins and minerals. Carrots are another kid-friendly option that not only offers a sweet and crunchy taste, but also packs a significant fiber punch. Conveniently sliced into sticks or circles, carrots make for an easy and nutritious snack. Their vibrant color and natural sweetness often appeal to children, making them a great addition to lunchboxes or after-school munchies. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also high in fiber and essential nutrients, especially vitamin A. Whether prepared as fries or mashed, sweet potatoes offer a tasty and nutritious alternative that kids may enjoy. The natural sweetness of sweet potatoes can make them more appealing, providing a versatile option for various meals. Spinach, despite its somewhat strong taste, is a nutrient powerhouse that boasts high fiber content along with a plethora of vitamins and minerals. To make spinach more palatable for kids, consider incorporating it into smoothies, omelets, or pasta sauces. This way,